Hi, Bruno here. Welcome to Spainguru. What are the differences between being an autónomo, self-employed, and registering as a single-person company in Spain? Now let's see the specific question of this Spainguru community member. I am looking at the difference between being an autónomo and one-person business. Essentially, I am looking at the viability of going from permanently employed to autónomo, but essentially getting paid the same gross salary from the same company, basically a contractor instead of permanently employed. Are there other things or costs I am missing that the calculator doesn't account for? When is it better to rather register as a single-person company? Can you be an autónomo and bill one client only? Now let's see the answers of Spainguru community members. First answer. Your last question's yes. My wife is autonomous and teaching and invoicing just one company where she works as a self-employed teacher. And next answer. You need to sign a contract with a company called TRADE, is meant Trabajador Autónomo Económicamente Dependiente. With this contract, you state invoicing a minimum of 75% of your total to one only company. 100% is no problem. It guarantees you a few simple things on top of what autonomos have in case of losing a job or illness. Third answer. Based on similar conversations with my gestor, my understanding is at the 50 to 60k mark, it becomes worth looking at creating a Sociedad Limitada and being an employee of the Sociedad Limitada. The pros: this reduces the tax burden due to corporate bis personal tax limits, increases the items that can be company expenses, gives you personally and employee protections regarding unemployment, health, etc. The cons: significantly higher accounting work required, every payment and bank movement must be accounted for and documented, accountant fees for the Sociedad Limitada are usually significantly higher than as an autónomo, possible costs for notary or lawyer and setting up, changing the company, you still have to pay a fixed social security payment when you are the director of a company. I'm not sure of the amount under the new rules, but this used to be higher than standard autónomo payment. So, as with all things, it depends what works best for your specific situation. Final answer. A one-person Sociedad Limitada is called SLU or Sociedad Limitada Unipersonal. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. In conclusion, according to Spainguru's Facebook group members, transitioning from permanent employment to self-employment as an autónomo or creating a single-person business or SLU has financial and legal considerations. Additional costs like accounting fees and potential lawyer and notary expenses should be considered, especially when opting for an SLU. Depending on income levels, around 50k to 60k euros annually, an SLU may offer tax advantages and increase business expense deductions. As an autónomo with one client, the Trabajador Autónomo Económicamente Dependiente concept allows for invoicing one single company. Making the right choice between autónomo and SLU requires individual assessment and advice from professionals to navigate the best option for one's situation. If you need expert tax advice, you can find it on Spainguru.es. We can recommend you experienced tax advisors for filings in the US and in Spain. Join Spainguru's community today. You can join our general Spanish immigration group and our dedicated groups for Spanish non-lucrative visa and Spanish digital nomad visa. Our groups together have more than 30,000 members. If you need expert professional advice, we got you covered. Just head to Spainguru.es and check out our top menu. You'll find immigration experts, relocation agencies, tax advisors for Spanish and US filings, sworn translators, apostille services, consulate appointment services, and health insurance providers for all types of Spanish visa applications. That includes non-lucrative visa, golden visas, student visas, and digital nomad visas, as well as medical certificates for visa applications and travel health insurance.
Finally, I highly recommend you join our weekly newsletter, which we send out every single Monday morning. You'll get tons of information, questions and answers, featured blog posts, and news updates. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.